Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 13, and now I can show you top 3 best themes for this device. So, great. On the third place in my tab is iOS style theme. To install the theme, you need to open Settings, then find here Themes, and in the search find Style, Squares, and iOS. Okay, so here as you can see we have iOS style, and click download and click apply. Sorry, apply. Great. As you can see, this theme redraws icons. It's not just a simple iOS style, but here we have stylish apps. We can see that that many applications are redrawn in the theme, and as you can see, the wallpaper of the settings menu is gray, not white now, and we have this beautiful lock screen on this theme. As you can see, here we have 3 widgets. We can set up these widgets. Here we have time, here we have a calendar, here we can have events and air quality. So great. On the second place in my tab is clouds theme. So find themes here and find here clouds. Find the anime girl, click download, wait a while, and click apply. Great, go back to the home screen, and great, as you can see here we have really light style theme. With redrawn icons too, it's really beautiful widget, with really great fonts. As you can see, many applications are redrawn on my device. And we have really beautiful wallpapers in the settings menu with beautiful anime girl. And of course we have beautiful wallpapers and great fonts and leaf wallpapers on our lock screen. So great. And on the first place, my favorite theme from the Xiaomi themes store is hydrogen ball. So hydrogen. Now it have this theme has another name, gradient ball. So find hydrogen ball, scroll down, and file here gradient ball. Click download, apply. Great. Go back to the home screen, and great, as you can see we have great light colors, we have redrawn icons too, we have beautiful wallpapers on the settings and in these pre-installed applications, and we have really great lock screen with moving balls. And if you need to know that if you want to unlock your device, you can swipe from down to up. So in this way you can only change the change your lock screen wallpapers to dark, for example, and you can change accent color, so pink colors or blue colors, so you can change it here. And if you want to unlock your device, you need to scroll from left to right or from right to left. So that's it. This was a list of my favorite themes from Xiaomi themes store. If you have another favorite theme, so write about it in comments. I will wait for it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.